in making a 3D hologram using a bottle and a knife. Let's cut the bottle until here. This is how you have to cut the bottle. Let's fold this part to make it as a square. I folded it 1, 2, 3, and 4 sides to make it as a square. Cut this part as well. You ready to see the hologram? Did you see how exciting it was to see all the birds in the air and all the fish in the air too? This is called a 3D hologram. You try it on and let me know. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Bye.